Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker. I'm doing drones in Canada. What are drones? Drones are small or medium-sized unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as UAVs. Drones can come in various shapes and sizes, from small quadcopters to large fixed-wing aircraft. Who is using drones? Various individuals, organizations, and industries are utilizing drones due to the numerous benefits that they offer. Military and defense, commercial enterprises, government agencies, research and conservation, media and entertainment, agriculture industry, and emergency services are all utilizing drones. Drone software developer key roles is to design, develop, and maintain software applications and algorithms used for drone control, navigation, data processing, and mission planning. The average salary is $80,000 to $150,000, and some of the key skills are programming, flight control systems, machine learning, and AI. Problem solving are all skills needed to be successful in drone software development. Where are they using drones? The top countries known for their extensive use of drones are the United States, China, Israel, United Kingdom, Turkey, Russia, France, India, Saudi Arabia, and Australia. Government agencies utilize drones for search and rescue operations, crowd monitoring, traffic management, and surveillance. Agriculture industries use drones for crop monitoring, irrigation management, soil analysis, and pesticide spraying. And military defense employ drones for intelligence gathering and can be armed with missiles or bombs for offensive operations. The company I chose is Amazon, and the strengths are efficiency and speed, competitive advantage. The weaknesses are security concerns and weather dependence. Opportunities are enhanced customer experience and expanded market reach. The threats are privacy concerns and technology risk. Where are they using drones? Companies with the specific needs of using drones, I predict almost all companies will be using drones within the next 5 to 10 years. As drones continue to evolve and become more accessible, their impact on various industries would grow. How is Canada using drones? So, goal 3, good health and well-being. In Canada, drones are employed for medical supply delivery, emergency response, and healthcare access in remote or disaster-affected areas. Goal 6, clean air or clean water and sanitation. Drones equipped with sensors and cameras are used to monitor water resources, detect pollution, and access water quality in lakes, rivers, and supporting water management and conservation efforts. Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Drones are employed for urban planning, disaster response, and infrastructure development in cities and communities. 2 truths and a lie. Canada is one of the top countries using drones. Drones are used in the military. A weakness of drones is weather dependency. Thank you.